everybody, Sean with Lake City Fire Equipment. What we're going to show is a quick demo of the ruggedness of the Unication G1 voice pager. Reviews say that this unit is dust-proof, drop-proof, and waterproof, essentially fireman-proof. So what I'm going to do for this quick demo is we're going to totally submerge the unit in some water to prove that it's waterproof. Okay, I'm going to throw it on a weather frequency just so you can still hear the audio while it's in the water. Give me a second here. Okay, on the weather band, or a tub of water here.
The current time is 12:03 a.m.
And there it goes. Totally submerged. Alright, we'll pull her out. Okay. Now you're going to notice the audio sounds a little different after it comes out of the water. And it's probably going to be hard to hear the difference in the video, because there's water inside the speaker grill, which is sealed. Don't get me wrong, it is watertight. Nothing's going to get in there. Give it a good shake.
And temperatures were between 34 and 39 degrees.
And
Looking around the northeast.
we have our audio back.
Rain was falling. Dual channel scan.
As you can see, I know it's kind of hard to see because of lighting, but it still functions. Give it another good shake here. Boy, the knob is a little bit rough to turn when it's wet.
Monitor. Today, light time hourly information.
And there we go.
For eastern New York. Skies range.
Still functioning after it went for a swim. The unit is rated for, I believe it was 3 feet of water for 30 minutes without any issues. So again, that was the Unication G1 pager. Anybody or any department rather is interested in seeing the unit, get a hold of me and we'll make it happen. Thanks for watching.